Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Talk about sports you enjoy or follow.
While I may not actively play sports, I admire the strategy and endurance that goes into competitive games. Chess fascinates me, and I find it to be the perfect blend of logic and creativity. Watching cricket, especially when India is playing, becomes an event of national celebration, bringing people together in excitement. There is something exhilarating about the energy of a well-played match, where skill and perseverance determine victory. Olympic events also grab my attention, particularly sports like gymnastics and ice skating, which require grace, precision, and discipline. I find it remarkable how athletes dedicate years to perfecting their craft, much like artists honing their skills. Sports in many ways mirror history, as both are full of heroes, trials, victories, and legends that endure through time.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.